There is something special about handmade things, something you can't explain with words, but you can feel it the moment you touch it. Today, let me take you into a home where every stitch tells a story. This home didn't start out beautiful. It was simple, plain, quiet. But one day, yarn entered the picture. Soft yarn, warm colors, and hands that believed in creativity. The first crochet piece was small a coaster, but that one small piece changed everything. Soon, crochet cushions appeared on the sofa, bringing warmth and texture. Each stitch added comfort, turning the living room into a cozy space where people wanted to sit longer, talk longer, and feel at home. Crochet home decor isn't just decoration, it's emotion. A crochet table runner doesn't just sit on a table, it frames moments. Morning coffee, late night conversations, quiet evenings. And then there were the walls. Instead of empty spaces, crochet wall hangings added softness and personality. They didn't shout for attention, they gently whispered comfort. In the bedroom, crochet truly came alive. A handmade crochet blanket rested on the bed, not perfect but perfectly human. The kind of blanket that feels like a hug at the end of a long day. The kind that reminds you that someone took time, just for you. Even the smallest corners of the home were transformed. Crochet plant holders turned ordinary plants into living art. Suddenly, the room felt alive, breathing creativity and warmth. And the beauty of crochet home decor, it doesn't follow trends. It creates timeless beauty. Every piece is unique. No two stitches are ever the same. Just like homes, just like people, crochet decor fits everywhere. Minimal homes, boho spaces, modern interiors, rustic corners. All it needs is intention. Soft neutral yarns bring calm. Bold colors bring energy. Textures bring depth. Crochet teaches us patience. It teaches us that beauty takes time. That slow creation can still create powerful impact. And that's why crochet home decor feels different. Because it's not made by machines, it's made by heart. So whether it's a crochet pillow, a table mat, a wall piece, or a cozy throw, remember this. You're not just decorating your home. You're adding warmth, you're adding comfort, you're adding a story. If you love crochet and home decor, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves handmade beauty. Because a home filled with crochet is a home filled with love.